In the heart of Chicago's Lakeview neighborhood, this luxury A-tier unit features the 3-bed/2.5 baths floor plan. This condo wraps around the north, east and south sides of the building, which provides a spectacular unobstructed view of Belmont Harbor, Lincoln Park, the lakefront and Navy Pier. This is a full-service building providing 24/7 garage valet, front desk concierge and maintenance staff. The key-fob controlled elevator up to a semi-private landing, only 2 units per tier. Entering the condo, you are greeted by white Carrera marble floors that are carried through the guest powder room and the second bedroom. Walking down the hall to the living room and dining area, you will notice hard oak flooring laid on the diagonal and non-paralleled views of the Yacht Club, Lake Michigan and Lincoln Park. The third bedroom has been converted into a library/family room with Bose surround sound. The cabinetry is bird's eye maple and topped off with slabbed granite. The custom kitchen is outfitted with Wolf/SubZero, Dacor and Bosch appliances. The countertops are slab granite. All of the original bifold closet doors have been replaced with custom-made glass panel doors and custom door pulls. The power room features an Ibiza tile wall with accent lighting. The guest bath has an updated tub and shower. The master bedroom sports Ralph Lauren camel hair carpeting and has an ensuite bath which is finished with copper glazed ceramic tiles and has a large walk-in shower with overhead shower and body sprays. This is one of 34 units with a deeded in-unit washer/dryer, Bosch 800. Building amenities include a pool/sun deck with 2 gas grills, a heated roof deck with 4 gas grills, fitness center, library, common laundry room, large storage locker and bicycle room. Express buses to downtown are a half block away. Top schools, Nettlehorst, Mount Carmel Academy, and Francis Parker are all within walking distance. This lovely condo is an ideal family home or an adul.